Hi there, Lori here on Vancouver Island. I just thought I'd take a minute to actually pop in and say hello. I know I don't very often bring my face onto the camera. That's because my hair's shaggy and getting shaggier every day. But I'm going to try to not let it distract me, and I'm going to try to look at the camera and not at myself on here in this selfie mode. Woo! Anyway, I just wanted to say hi, and I wanted to say that my thoughts are with everybody out there because we're all kind of in lockdown together, and it's continuing. I know where I'm at, they're still seeing new cases of this virus pop up every single day, and I live with my 80-year-old mother. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to go out, and I don't want to put her in any danger. So we've been home. It's going on 3 weeks. I do need some prescriptions. So I'm not sure. I don't want to go out, but I'm going to call my pharmacist and ask if they are offering any kind of a delivery program. And if not, there's a services center in town that might be offering that kind of a service. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's not that we're not healthy. I mean, we've been in lockdown for over 2 weeks, and we know that none of us are sick, and we're all good. But yeah, it's scary to even think about going out there nowadays into the world, which is a sad state of affairs. But oh my gosh, when you have to look at it, you have to think that every single person that you run into could be somehow infected or contagious, or even if they're not showing symptoms, they can still be. So it's kind of scary. Anyway, I don't want to go on and on about that. I worry about enough of that on my own time. I just wanted to say hi and check in to see if you're okay. And you know what? I think I'm going to try to go live on Sunday the 6th. So you probably won't see this until after that, because it's the 5th today. And I'm thinking I'm going to try, because I mean, I still can't go live on my phone, which would be ideal, but you have to have, good grief, 1,000 subscribers before you can go live on your phone, and it'll probably be 50 years before I get 1,000 subscribers. So anyway, but I can go apparently from my computer, so I'm going to hook up my laptop tomorrow in my craft room and hook up an external camera and see if I can't get something going anyway. Figure out how it works. Anyway, one of the clients that I work for, when this is all, well, we're looking at fundraising ways, right? Because it's a nonprofit that I work for. We're looking for fundraising opportunities and ways that we can do that with social distancing. And so of course electronics come to mind, and I better figure out how to use them before I'm asked to do it on the fly. Yeah, so let's pour some paint. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being you. So here's what I've decided to do. I'm not a big fan of those fluorescent colors, so I kind of want to use them up. And so what I did with them, and I want to practice a little bit with my consistency for my 3D pours. So what I did was I took the red and the pink, and I mixed it together, and then I added some of my pearlescent medium to thicken it up to about between a 2 and a 3. I'd say on a scale of 1 to 5. So it just sits there for a minute before it disappears, and then it disappears right in. So I did that, and then I took the yellow and the orange, and I mixed them together, and I got this kind of gold color. And it's, again, about the same consistency. And then I took those two, the hot pink and the gold, and I mixed them together, and I got this peachy color. And then I took the green and the blue, and I mixed them together, and I got this beautiful teal, turquoise teal. So I'm going to take those two, or those 4 colors, I don't know. I might take the gold out, or I might use it very, very, very sparingly and then stick to the two kind of pinky, peachy tones and the blue. Those might bring out some really vibrant colors, but I'm a little concerned with that gold color and that teal color not being too super friendly. Anyway, I'm going to use a white background. I'm going to use this. I'm going to layer my paints, and then I'm going to, what I've got is this. I've got a couple of these actually, and they're little Christmas guys. And I never use them. Never have. I pull them out every year at Christmas time, and I put them out, and I think, oh, I'm going to put candy in them this year. And then we don't. We don't have people over. We don't entertain. I don't put candy out. If I buy candy, we just eat it. So, anyway, I thought I would try and pour paint on them. And I'm going to do this side first, because I'm going to be more particular about this edge. And then I haven't decided if I'm just going to paint the inside or if I'm going to pour it as well. But I thought that'd be a good opportunity to test out these paints. I've got two of these guys, so I can pour a set of them. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Hang tight. Alrighty, so I can already tell that that is not going to work the way that I want it to work. I don't know, maybe it's because I didn't prep the glass properly. Maybe I need to sand it a little bit. It might be too glossy, but I think I'm going to move on and pour with this a puddle onto something else, because the puddle itself is just too pretty to waste. So let me grab a canvas, and I'm going to be back in just a minute. Okay, so we're going to try again. What I'm going to do is pour a big white puddle kind of in the middle here, and then I'm going to pour my paint, and then I'm going to stretch it. And I'm just going to do a spiral pour from the center, just in the center. And then I'm not going to add paint all the way out to the edges yet, because I will add it as I go, and I will definitely be tilting paint off on all the sides. So I'm not too concerned about it. I just want to make sure that my paint is able to move. So, wish me luck. I think I need it. I've not had a good painting in days. I must be due. Anyway, let's go to it. So, I think it's my white cell activator that's causing that. And so I'm not entirely sure what to do about it. I don't think I like it. So, I'll have to toy with what my options are to get it to go away. I guess I can try and tilt it off. I've still got plenty of paint on there, so this is starting to get muddy. I think maybe my paint still wasn't quite thick enough. I don't know. Let's keep trying. Well, I like it better than I did, but I'm still not thrilled with it. I think I need to add some more white paint to that white cell activator because apparently I've got a little too much of the wood conditioner in it, and it is working a little bit too well. So, yeah, I'm going to do that, and I don't know, like, it's kind of cool, all the cells and stuff, especially if you're into cells and stuff, which I'm really not that into cells and stuff. I rather have like I don't know, like this over here, right, where the pattern is mixed and not so much of this over here. Anyway, it was a fun experiment, and I do thank you for hanging out and watching. And although I'm not 100% thrilled with it, I'm happier than I've been. I'm happy enough that I'm not going to scrape it. So we'll wait and we'll see how it dries, and we'll go from there.